My dear students, now we are going to work on linear system solutions that's related to money and value. Luca has $5.35 in dimes and in quarters. This means dimes 0.10 cents times X, so I don't know how many dimes are there, plus 0.25 quarters times Y. I don't know how many quarters are there, but add them, you will have $5.35. This is the first equation. And the second equation is right here. He has a total of 28 coins, which means X plus Y equals 28. Now we got our two equation. Let's work on that. How do we do it? The top equation, I'm going to multiply everything by 100. So 100 times 0.10 is 10x plus 100 times 0.25 is 25y equals 100 times 5.35 is 535. Now this equation is the way I like it. And next, I'm going to multiply the bottom equation, everything here with, let's see, I'm going to get rid of 10. X, because I want to eliminate X because X has smaller number. I don't want to multiply everything by 25. I like dealing with smaller numbers. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation with negative 10. Everything here will be multiplied by negative 10. So negative 10 times X has the 1. So negative 10X and negative 10Y and negative 280. So far so good. Let's start eliminating. X's are eliminated. So what is 25 minus 10y? That is 15y equals, what is 535 minus 280 is 255, but let's just make sure. Let's not make a mistake here. 535 minus 280, is it 255? Yes. So 255, and we're gonna leave y alone. Divide by 15, divide by 15. Y would be 17. Divided by 15. Yes, 17. So, and now I know y. Let's figure out the x. And which equation am I going to use? Of course, the smaller one, the less complicated one. X plus y equals 28. So let's use that. X plus y equals 28. And x plus 17 equals 28. X equals 28 minus 17. And that will be x equals 11. Now I know how many dimes? 11. How many quarters? 17 Luca has. So first question is done. Let me do one more. Courtney invested $7,000, some at 6%, some at 8%. So this is our first equation actually. I'm going to call this x, invested at 6%. I'm going to call this the rest, y, at 8%. So that means x amount of money plus y amount of money together equals to $7,000. So that's the first equation. Let's figure out the second one. After 1 year, the interest earned at 6% was $420 less than the interest earned at 8%, meaning 6% is equal to 0.06 and that's the x, right? This is equals to $420 less than 0.08 y minus 420. That's the second equations. Once you figure out the equations, we just play with them to solve the system of equations. So I'm gonna move 0.06x. I'm gonna move y to the other side of the equation as negative 0.08y equals minus 420, and then I'm gonna multiply everything here by 100 to make sure I don't have decimals. So 100 times 0.06, 6x minus 8y equals 42,000. And this is the first equations, and I'm gonna decide which ones to eliminate, and I like to deal with small numbers, so I'm gonna eliminate x. We've been eliminating y, but this time I'm gonna eliminate x. So I'm gonna multiply everything in the first equation with negative 6. So negative 6x, negative 6y equals, what is 7 times 6? 42. Negative 42,000. Okay, it's coincidence. We got negative 42 times twice. But anyway, math is correct so far. So this will be eliminated. What is negative 8 minus 6? That's negative 14y equals, what is negative 42,000? Negative 42,000, that is negative 84,000. And to leave y alone, I'm going to divide everything with negative 14, negative 14, boom, boom. Y would be positive 4,000. Now, looking at the first equation, I can immediately tell you it's 3,000, but let's do the math. X plus y would be 7,000. X is the one we don't know. Y is 4,000 equals 7,000. X equals 7,000 minus 4,000. And x would be 3,000. Voila! Students, let's practice.